Subic Bay Freeport, Philippines. With the planned closure this October of its waste depository in Capas, Tarlac, the Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority is now looking for options on how to dispose of tons and tons of garbage generated daily by industrial and commercial establishments here. Amithia Della Llana, manager of the SBMA Ecology Center, said the scheduled closure of the Kalangitan sanitary landfill facility this October will dramatically impact business operations here, as well as the well-maintained natural environment that boosts a thriving local tourism industry. It will be a huge problem, not only for locators, but also for the entire Subic Bay Freeport zone, including residents, the SBMA, and other government offices as well, Della Llana said on Tuesday. We produce about 60 tons of garbage per day, so you can just imagine how these will pile up when there's no place for disposal, she added. The wastes come from special economic zones like Subic and Clark free ports, parts of Metro Manila, as well as hundreds of local government units in central and northern Luzon, 32 LGUs in Pangasinan, 24 in Nueva Ecija, 16 in Pampanga, 12 in Bulacan, 8 in Zambales, and 6 each in Bataan and Benguet. MCWMC also processes hospital and toxic wastes at Kalangitan for thousands of hospitals in the surrounding communities. However, the Base's Conversion and Development Agency, known as BCDA, and its subsidiary Clark Development Corporation, or CDC, said they won't renew the 25-year service contract of MCWMC for the operation of Kalangitan when it expires this coming October. We will have to look for an alternative, said Della Llana. SBMA Ecology Center figures show that Subic's industrial and commercial establishments, as well as residential units, produce approximately 1,650 to 1,690 tons of waste in a month. While 42% of Subic's wastes is recycled by accredited scrap haulers, most, or a total of 58%, go to the Kalangitan landfill for processing and disposal. The SBMA, Della Llana said, used to operate its own sanitary landfill starting in 2000 until 2009. It was closed down upon reaching its maximum capacity. The SBMA had since contracted out waste disposal services, and MCWMC had been its service provider for 4 years now, Della Llana added. The impending closure of the Kalangitan SLF had also raised concern among LGUs, leading them to petition Environment Secretary Ma Antonia Yulo Loizaga last April to extend landfill operations in Kalangitan. Pointing out the critical role of Kalangitan landfill in the health and environmental sustainability of local communities, 104 LGUs using the SLF urged the Department of Environment and Natural Resources to defer its closure and maintain the landfill's operations while seeking sustainable long-term solutions to meet the current and future waste management needs of our region. Handlers of hospital and toxic wastes, among them the Clark Sanitation Services, also cautioned last Friday against a major health crisis should the planned landfill closure materialize.